Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you trading forex for a side hustle, like starting to trade the forex market for as a side hustle. Now if you have a job, a regular job, a 9 to 5 job, and you want to start a side hustle with it, that you say that it's not enough for me and uh, start start a side hustle, and you choose the forex market as your side hustle. Now you're not sure about trading in the forex, like you are afraid of trading in the forex market, and you want to first build up your experience and your trading skills before jumping into the market. Now if you now how to do that step and how to overcome that phase. Now in order to do that, if you're not if you're not a professional trader, or you do not know much about trading, then first of all acquire the knowledge about um, trading in the forex market or the stock market. What do I mean by basic knowledge about trading? Now basic knowledge means that go ahead, read some books, take some courses about trading in the forex market, or do what know what is need to be known about the forex market. Basically it means that knowing how to do technical analysis, that is the main thing. Risk management, then these are the two things that you will have to do in the forex market if you want to trade in a forex market. Now you can do you can trade forex as a side hustle. That's possible with a regular job, with a regular day job, and starting to trade the forex market, but you do not want to invest your own money, you're not sure, then if that's the case, open up a demo account in the forex market, as it provides a demo account. You see, today it is closed, today is Saturday, so it is closed. It provides it provides a demo account with $20,000 in it, with a demo account, so you can start trading with that. When you get comfortable trading, when you know you can now make a lot of money from it, when you know you can make profit out of it, you've you've experienced the ups and downs of the forex market, then go ahead and invest your own money. But if you're still not sure, then invest as little as possible, like $200, $300. Do not invest ton of money, like $5,000 or something like that. Invest with bare minimum as possible. So so that is the all about trading in the forex market, starting forex as a side hustle. So whatever you do, you will have to do technical analysis. That is the main thing you will have to do before investing in a forex market or any market around the world. Technical analysis is the main thing that you will have to know, because if you do not know technical analysis, if you do not know the basic knowledge of about the stock market, like if you do not know technical analysis, then you cannot identify the direction of the trend, or where the trend is heading. What is the overall outcome of the trend over here? What results would it give me in the future? So these are some things that you will have to keep in mind before going into a trend. So so trading forex for a side hustle is a great thing. If you want to start trading, then those are the main things that you will have to keep in mind, because most of you most of the people out there, they start trading in the forex market blindfolded. So do not do that, and invest with bare minimum as possible. Once you got comfortable trading, then invest as much as you like. That's no big deal. Invest as much as you like, as more as you like, and then after that, quit your job. And once you build up that your trading career, then quit your job and focus on that one side hustle, and start to build up your career as a trader, as a forex trader or stock trader. Well, the forex market and the stock market both are the same. The only difference is that the Forex market has pairs of currencies which are traded, and the stock market has shares of the companies which trade on the stock market of the companies all around the world. Their timing is also different. Forex market trades uh, 24 hours a day and 5 days in a week, and the forex market and the stock market, sorry, trades 5 days a week, but from 9 to 5 or 9 to 4 its timing is in between these. So that is all, that is all about it. So if you want to if you want to trade in the stock market as a side hustle, then that would not be a good idea, as you also have a day job. Quitting that or quit or do not or focusing here or here, that would be difficult for you. But if you start the forex market, then you'll have plenty of time to trade in the forex market, and you'll also build up your skills as a trader. You'll also build up your skills as a trader. So do focus on building your skills, because that is the main thing uh, in the stock market to know. Well, that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market or the forex market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me.